As it has been our tradition over the years, and to ensure our upward and forward trajectory, we take inventory of what was accomplished in 2021 as we turn the page to start a new year.
At AOD Federal Credit Union, our working vision statement is quality member service, and we strive to do that in all that we do for our membership. Over the past 2 years and beginning our third year, we are now faced with a countrywide pandemic, and I'm pleased that AOD has stepped up to meet the challenges that has presented for operations. We have continued to keep our branches open, and for our members that were not comfortable in coming in a branch or being out and about during this time, we have a robust digital platform for them to use, whether it's to manage their accounts online, make a remote deposit, or complete a loan process from beginning to end. We have that conveniences for our membership.
In 1950, AOD Federal Credit Union was founded by 45 members of the Anniston Ordnance Depot in Bynum, Alabama. Their purpose was to take ownership of their financial future, control their destiny, and serve each other. Our founders did not want to be beholden to a bank whose primary purpose would be to fulfill its own interest. Instead, they banded together to help one another. Our founders understood a simple principle that is as true today as it was in 1950. No one cares about friends and neighbors like friends and neighbors do.
I think it speaks highly of our employees that they are willing to go the extra mile and do whatever they need to do to take care of your financial needs. I have to tell you, there were days that I wondered how they managed, because we would have employees who tested positive for COVID who had to be quarantined. So in the blink of an eye, we could have lost, say, 5 employees, and that left a real void. They were challenged in so many areas because of the COVID pandemic, and they met that challenge beautifully.
It's truly been great to see all of the teamwork amongst all of the branches just pulling together during these tough times with the pandemic going on. We've had people from other departments, other positions step in and just take over to help the frontline staff. And it's been truly amazing to see everyone just pull together.
I think the culture at AOD is a lot more small town oriented. It seems to me like everybody is friendlier. They look you in the eye, they remember your name, they call you by your name. I didn't feel like I was just a number on a balance sheet somewhere. I felt more like I was actually being addressed as a human.
AOD Federal Credit Union's business model is all about our members. We are owned by our members, we're operated by our members, and when we succeed, we share that success with our members, because our goal is to help all our members achieve their financial goals and sustain their financial well-being.
We're now an organization of over 36,000 members with 7 branch locations throughout East Central Alabama with over $400 million in assets. And true to our roots, even as we have grown, we have remained tightly connected and wholly committed to those around us. We are member-owned and member-operated. This means every member of our credit union has a stake in our success and a voice in the way we do business. We provide our members with access to the very best financial support at more affordable rates than for-profit banks, so that they can seize opportunities, create their own financial independence, and drive economic growth in the areas we serve.
At AOD Federal Credit Union, we are committed to making a difference in people's lives. Our employees are encouraged to participate in community-based programs, and through our volunteer paid time off policy, they can do just that. Our people understand the importance of reaching out to those in need, and together, we provided more than 430 hours of volunteer service and over $49,000 in donations and sponsorships in 2021 alone. We believe in the strength of our community and that there is no us and them, just we.
I think one of the best things about us is we've got a lot of different types of programs that we can customize for our members. It's not a cookie cutter approach, whether that be setting up a 30-year mortgage for some rental property or something of that nature, or whether it's, working with them on getting some working capital for their business. There are a lot of different options that we have that we can provide them, and we can provide it to them with that personal touch that you just don't get at a lot of other places.
More and more people have discovered that AOD Federal Credit Union exists to not sell a product or service, but we seek to serve, educate, and assist our membership and community. Because of this, we offer our membership products and services that have more favorable terms, a better rate, or more access to funding that meet their financial needs. From your child's very first savings account to retirement planning and everything in between, we are a full-service financial organization ready to assist you in responding to life's changing monetary demands. Take a look at some of the products and services available to you.
Our products and services are coupled with our unwavering dedication to excellence and high-performance standards that produce complete member satisfaction time and time again. And it shows with our 5-star rating by the prestigious Bauer Financial Rating System and with a community-wide vote choosing us as the #1 financial institution and #1 home mortgage provider on the Anniston Star's Reader's Choice Awards.
You know, just as our 45 founders in 1950 decided they wanted to pool their savings together, lend them to one another, and own the financial institution where they obtained financial related services, we keep that same vision today as we move forward in 22 and beyond.
True to our roots, even as we have grown, we have remained tightly connected and wholly committed to our communities. And for our graduating students, AOD will award 11 Star of Excellence scholarships valued at $1,000 each and 20 Spirit of AOD scholarships valued at $500 each. Because when we say that we're committed to our members keeping more of their hard-earned money, we mean it.
While most financial institutions would be happy to sell a product, we seek to serve, educate, and assist. It has been said, no one cares about friends and neighbors like friends and neighbors do. And that's the essence of who we are, friends and neighbors from all walks of life, working to serve each other and ensuring more money is kept in our members' pockets. We will remain true to our focus on return on relationships because in our not-for-profit business model, that is our greatest return.